Start. Learned counsel for the petitioner has made a reference to the counter affidavit so as the order passed by this court to show admission of the ASG regarding detention of the petitioner pursuant to B warrant. Stop. It is admitted by the learned AGA that one cannot be detained pursuant to B warrant. Stop. A reference of the cases has been given where B warrant has been issued. Accordingly, the petitioner should be released. Stop para. The petition has been contested by the ASG. He submits that a reference of B warrant has been given, ignoring as to how many cases have been registered against the petitioner and in which he has been arrested. Stop. At one stage, it was brought to the notice of the court that petitioner has obtained bail in around 50 cases. Stop. The aforesaid is coming out from the order dated 1/9/2020 passed by this court. The report of the other cases registered against the petitioner was also sought, which has not been given to the court. Stop. It is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that around 100 cases have been registered against the petitioner. Stop. Copy of all the FIRs has not been enclosed to show that it contains one and same allegation. Stop. Petitioner can be taken into custody pursuant to the criminal cases lodged against him unless bail is granted in such cases. Stop para. Grant of bail in one case does not mean bail in all cases registered separately. Stop. If that would have been so, there was no reason for the petitioner to apply for bail in each case because according to him bail has been granted in around 50 cases, leaving others. Stop. In view of the above, it is not a case of illegal detention because petitioner is not in custody pursuant to the B warrant but in reference to number of cases lodged against him. Stop. The prayer is accordingly to dismiss the petitioner. Stop. We have considered the rival submission of parties and perused the record. Stop para. A writ of habeas corpus is maintainable only when it is a case of illegal detention. The petitioner was taken into custody pursuant to the criminal cases lodged against him. Stop. At one stage, when bail was granted in one case, the petitioner could not be released in absence of completion of formalities. Stop. It is coming out from the order dated 15/10/2019 passed by this court. Stop. An affidavit was filed by the petitioner to show compliance of required formalities for release. It is, however, a fact that petitioner is involved in more than 100 cases as per the statement of the counsel for the petitioner himself. It is alleged to be on one and same set of facts and allegations. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner is fair enough to state that he has not filed a copy of all the FIRs lodged against the petitioner to verify that all the FIRs contain one and same allegation. Stop. In view of the above, it could not be proved that petitioner has been implicated on same set of allegations. Stop. It is otherwise not a writ petition to challenge the FIRs but the writ petition for release alleging illegal detention. Stop. The main argument of learned counsel is that once bail is granted in one case, it is to be treated to be a bail in all other cases. Stop. The argument aforesaid cannot be accepted, rather to be rejected summarily.